2,490 miles on a 2021 Iron 883 in River Rock denim. This bike is primarily stock. Really the only thing that was added to it was the bottom armor phone holder that's on the handlebars. It does have a couple spots where it's got some scrapes. The turn signal back here's got a little scrape on it. And the tank has a tiny ding on this side. It looks like the back of the turn signal might have bumped it. Other than that, it's got low mileage, really nice looking. Paint looks great. So if you're in the market for a low mileage Sportster, come on in and take it for a test ride.